Welcome, and in today's video we're going to go do a final walkthrough on my project that I started about 6 weeks ago. This project I ended up buying at the not at the courthouse steps. It was a pre-foreclosure. And by the way, if you want to see the original video that I did on this, just click right here and go there. I recommend you go there first and then you come back and take a look at this one. But the terms on this one, again, pre-foreclosure, $750,000. The after repair value at the time was $950,000. We ended up buying the place. The owner wanted to stay free, rent-free for 30 days, so I let him stay rent-free. I did hold back some money. He didn't move out. He lost $10,000. However, it took another 6 months to get him out. He did go out peacefully. I didn't want to foreclose on him. I'm sorry, I didn't want to evict him, because if I do that, then he's going to have more difficulty trying to find a place. So I didn't go through that process. I just let him go. And the reason I let him go is because, again, I bought it at $750,000. I got $10,000 back from him because he didn't move out in time. The rehab budget, at the end of the day, it cost me around $60,000, and I'll show you what that entails. Getting ready to put it on the market this evening, and we're putting it on the market for $1.2 million. So again, I wasn't in a rush to get this guy out because the market's doing this in California. It is a crazy market right now. Hope you have something that you're flipping or you're thinking about selling. Give me a call. I'm happy to help you either way. So let's go on in and take a look and see what's going on. I had the whole house painted outside and inside and out, but this is what we did outside. Repainted the front doors here. And then pretty much everything you see inside was redone. So we did vinyl flooring throughout. Both downstairs and upstairs. We've got the living room here. I normally take the bricks out and put some stack stone here, but to save some money, I decided just to paint this black, and I think it turned out really nice. So, think about things when you're doing a project like this. Always think about how to save money. The dining room back here. And then we'll slip into the kitchen here. So in the kitchen, these cabinets were originally an oak color, and I decided to go ahead and paint them. I had a professional come out and paint them. We painted the lower cabinets as well. We got a new stove, a new microwave, and a new dishwasher. And then we put the quartz countertops on top of the existing cabinets that were here. So that saved us a little bit of money. These can lights were here already, so we're saving there. I'll take you in the backyard after we do the inside tour. We got a nice little powder room down here. And then we have a family room area here. And you can see, this is really light and bright. I got huge windows coming in and it makes it look really bright. Some more canned light around here. Fireplace number 2. The other things we did is the larger baseboards were installed. They had the original, inch baseboards, and we decided to go with the 4-inch, which is what we normally do. The steps up here, you'll see that this area, we painted it white. As we go upstairs, we have a guest bedroom here to the left. And like I explained in the other video, there used to be a wall right here. And the last owner decided to take this wall down and gain this space. So now this space is not something that the assessor can use for extra space, because obviously you see the headroom is not legal. But I decided just to leave it like this. It's, why put a wall back up here and make this room look smaller? Just leave it like this and sell it in this fashion. The mirrored wardrobe doors were already here, which is another cost-saving thing. Another bedroom to the left. And then guest bathroom, again, we put quartz countertop, and we ended up leaving the tile around the bathtub, not only here, but in the master. Again, mostly to save myself some money, but it's white, it looks nice, it was in good shape. So I decided to go ahead and leave it like that. It does have double pane windows throughout, and those were already here. So again, more savings for me. I don't have to spend, money doing that. This is the primary bedroom. You see, nice and bright in here. And then I'll let you go around to the bathroom area there. And then the shower is inside the door there to the left. And again, pretty much this was granite countertops that I installed over the existing vanity, and I painted the vanities. So always look to be saving money, however you can. But at the end of the day, you obviously want it to look as nice as possible. Okay. Let's walk downstairs. Okay, we'll head to the backyard. Okay, and I think, me personally, this is going to be the thing that sells this property, is what I call a resort living backyard. As you can see, a nice spa, and then the waterfall coming down, and a pretty good sized pool. Some nice living space around it. This is really shallow. Super shallow on this end. This is called a Baja bench. So basically you can walk in there and then just lie down instead of having a pool toy. I guess it just depends on what you want to do. The backyard, if you look at the other video, you're going to see that it was pretty much overgrown. And I had my landscaper come in and he trimmed everything up. He took things out that really shouldn't be here. You want to make it look as nice as possible. Not only the front yard, because you have curb appeal in the front yard, but if you have a nice resort pool like this, you want to make it look nice at the end of the day as well. So anyways, it'll be on the market in about an hour or so. And, hopefully I'll be getting multiple offers. Hopefully they'll go over asking price. Everything I'm putting on the market right now is going anywhere between $75,000 and $100,000 over asking. So this is a pretty crazy market. It's a fun and a good market to be in if you're a flipper. So if you're interested in learning about flipping, please get a hold of me. I've got some training courses online that if you're interested in looking up, just reach out to me. I'll give you the website and then give you the password to log in. Okay? Thanks for coming.